Welcome to color lesson number 7, your personal professional brand. This is a little bit a continuation that I was sharing on the last training about the psychology of color. And it's really using color, as I said earlier, on being influential, persuasion, attracting others to you, using it in a professional way, not just to feel beautiful or feel I need to get this pretty dress, but really using it with intention. And so I want to give you a couple examples of what this might look like. So you've seen these women throughout our presentation here, and these were women, including myself, is I worked and with them on a branding photo shoot. And it was something that we took into consideration. We talked about their brand. We talked about what they're already doing. We talked about how is it you want to be perceived. So there was multiple factors that went into this. In fact, Chris at the bottom corner, she actually did her branding photo shoot for her dating website, or excuse me, her dating profile. And she was working with a professional dating coach. So whether it is business, whether it is for your personal reasons, is understanding your colors, understanding why you're using certain colors can be very powerful. And when you understand the why and you understand the how, the confidence that you have when you show up in those colors, because you know that those colors are signifying and representing truly the authentic you. So for example, Teresa on the left here, one of her words is to inspire. And so when she shows up in that red, do you think that she is inspiring? She absolutely is. And so that's just an example of what you can do with color. So if you are an entrepreneur, or even you work for corporate and you're really trying to establish that personal professional brand in a very authentic way, being very intentional and knowing that you have a wardrobe that is supporting you in that manner. So here's another example, just myself using, you've seen my pink dress, but speaking at a conference. These are two different conferences where one, I was an attendee. One of them was my own workshop that I did. I wanted to show up passionately, and my pink signifies that. So I hope this is giving you ideas. It's expanded your thinking on truly how you can use color in your wardrobe and it being as a tool, and truly to become more alive with color. I'll see you on the next training.